Asana integrates with hundreds of tools to create seamless workflows across an organization's tech stack. Admins are responsible for safely and securely managing these tool integrations. There are integrations available for all types of workflows, from request management to creative marketing to product launches. These integrations allow data to flow between Asana and your existing tools, making Asana the central hub for work management while ensuring that teams have access to all the tools they need. Before users in your org set up app integrations, navigate to app settings to make a few critical decisions about integration usage at your organization. First, determine if guests can use apps in your organization. The default setting allows both members and guests to have access to apps, but you can restrict to members only for stronger security. Then, consider requiring apps to be approved by a super admin before they can be connected to Asana. In this mode, users will need to submit a request to connect a new app. Determine who should receive these email requests. Once enabled, you'll review incoming approval requests. Once your integrations are set up, you should continue to manage them from the Apps tab. Connected and blocked apps are shown. If your org requires approvals, you'll see approval request and approved apps. Clicking into an app will show you a brief description, recent usage stats, and permissions granted. Understanding permission scopes is crucial. This shows the specific level of access and data that an integrated application can access within your Asana workspace. You can protect your organization by blocking apps that don't meet your security requirements. When you block an app, no domain users can access it, and existing connections are terminated. If security requirements change, it's easy to unblock apps. Regular review of your integrated apps in the admin console helps you ensure your organization maintains security while enabling productivity.